So this one is one that I wish I did not have to make. I can't believe I've never made this video either. You may not tamper with your Jamaican passport. You may not tamper with your birth certificate. You may not write anything on these documents in an attempt to alter the information or the data that is in there. I have a client right now who told me it's like maybe a year ago that he wanted to renew his 5-year passport. So I said, okay, we can help because we assist with 5-year passports. Hello. And then he disappeared. Then he came back this year. He needs to have his passport renewed. So he says he has a 10-year passport. I said, hang on a second. Wasn't that you who told me that you had a 5-year passport some time ago? He said, no, it's 10 years. That's okay. Send me a picture of the passport. Let me see the issue and expiry dates. When I got it, I could not read the dates. The dates were a little weird, and I'm like, okay, what date is this? Then I look at his date of birth, and that was also very weird. I couldn't understand what the date of birth was, but the passport actually has the date of birth twice. So while he altered one, he didn't alter the other. Anyway, he eventually fessed up and said that he did it because he was trying to get into a nightclub. It must be a very nice nightclub. But he said he altered it to get into a nightclub to make himself older. When you tamper with your passport, the passport office does not consider it a renewal even if it's expired. It is a damage replacement. But more than that, this requires a detailed statement explaining how the situation happened. And this also will lead to an investigation. And some investigations will take months and could run into years. Because someone contacted me the other day about a situation similar, and they said their own has been there for a long time. But this will require a very detailed statement, and it could take a long time because every time you call, they'll say, we are still investigating. Don't tamper with your passport. Don't tamper with any official documents, whether it's a Jamaican document or not. The short-term gratification that you're getting is not worth the short-term gratification that you're going to be getting is not worth the long-term headache. Trust me, a long-term headache documents. All right, I am Gail of 876 Documents with this word to the wise. I can lead you to the water, but I cannot make you drink. All right, thanks for watching. Bye.